Hello, welcome. Hi, it's Rose. It's been a bit. It's February, and it's February 2025. I'm really excited about being here, the things, the shifts, and the changes that have been happening. What I want to do first is share with you, I couldn't believe I started to print up the freebies alone. Oh my goodness. No wonder I'm not selling very many of these Yellow Rose kits. I had printed, I think, over 50 pages. Oh my goodness. So when I did that, I thought I first wanted to get on and share with you the freebies that are here and the ways for you to get those. But I've been offering the Sovereign freebies and the Thankful Thursday freebies and the Freya Friday freebies. On top of the 50 pages, then I also offered this, it's called Tattered Lemon, and it's just basically lace and creamy. Let me just show you. There's 24 papers in there, because this kit, the subscription kits for February were yellow and kind of cream colored. So on top of that were these. What I decided to do, it's just kind of a last blast. I want to remind you, this is a Freya Friday freebie on my Kofi site. It'll be there for the next couple of weeks. I generally have about 6 bigger freebies like that come out on Friday. No membership is required. This one right now is available for free to download. There'll be a link in the description box below. No password needed, nothing, just my gift to you. But what I decided after seeing all of the freebies I'd actually offered, I started to think that, you know what, if people are using the freebies, they have more than enough to make a kit, or a whole journal. So I'm going to do that with you. I'm not going to do the binding. I think that Sophie this month has offered a really awesome tutorial on binding, and also Cheryl has offered another slip knot binding tutorial. So both of those are really awesome options, and I don't want to detract away from what they've done. I do want to let you know that the freebie that I'm going to be giving you information on that I'm offering with this one will be the last kind of bonus freebie for February. And it's all music pages. So let me just show you. So one side of my pages in this mini journal that I'm going to do is music pages. This is a music page collage in cream. It would be the awesome base for any journal. Seriously, I don't know a journal I wouldn't put a page or 2 of this in. So it'll be a freebie, and I'll link that for you. Also, I'll give you the information for it near the end of the video. So you'll have to kind of watch my video to get that. These are the pages that are the Freya Friday freebie. Again, I said free, and there's nothing you need to do except for go to my site, put it in your cart, and check out. I've had a lot of complaints this month, and it's kind of been a little bit disheartening because I want to mention that if you struggle with downloading the freebies and you write a comment on the Kofi site, I can't really help you there. Please message me on Kofi and let me know what's happening for you. Sometimes I make a mistake, and that's really, that is really a real thing. Sometimes I do, and I need to know, and then I can fix it for everyone. But most often it's someone complaining, and I have 3 tutorials on there of how you need to work with the freebies on Kofi. They really are free. WeTransfer really is free. You do not have to do anything besides actually download. You do not have to pay a membership for WeTransfer. I pay that for my business. It's quite expensive every year, but it's a place that hosts my my work so that I can kind of share it around the world. Okay, so with that said, I'm going to show you everything here is free. And I think I've separated out fairly decently. We'll see. So this one is a just because. I think there's 40 words 3 times. These, it was requested that they get made bigger, so that's why these are bigger. When they're bigger, you could print this to a page if you would like to have a little bit smaller words, but they're meant to go with the Yellow Rose collection, which is all of these freebies here. I'm going to show you match the Yellow Rose collection. Okay, so I think one of the first ones that we, I even opted not to print up some of them. So all of these here that I'm going to show you, these are freebies. I believe this here is a Thankful Thursday. And if it's a Thankful Thursday freebie, you will have to either pay for a membership on Kofi. The cheapest one is $3.49, and I guarantee you, you will not find a better deal as far as a membership goes. There's last year's freebies that are on there. I still haven't moved them off at this point. I will at the end of the month be taking off all of the freebies from last year, accessible to the new members. So they'll be starting fresh, just as a reward to the people that have been there for so long. But this is part of a Thankful Thursday. The other way you can get this for free, and literally without joining, without paying, without doing anything, is to join the Facebook group. And I am going to be really honest. I'm not sure how long I'm going to be doing that. I have been banned from Facebook. I don't even know what happened. I haven't even done anything. Someone attached to my profile on Instagram, which caused Meta to basically not just suspend, but completely deactivate. And I made an appeal and they denied it because of the severity of whatever the person was doing on Instagram. I didn't actually see what they posted on my behalf, but I'm so sorry if someone was offended. 2 accounts hacked them. But so I'm not going to be on Facebook, and I'm exploring what that means. Okay, with that said, you will for sure have to be a member on the Thankful Thursdays, not sure. But these other ones that I'm showing you are the Sovereign freebies. And those ones do require that you go to the person's site. So this one is Kim. And Kim Myers has Artful Crafts. And I made this freebie for her. You'll have to go to her site and watch her video. She's got a really awesome tutorial on, oh, right, another binding. How could I forget that? There's actually 3 binding tutorials this month. Kim's doing one where it's a no-sew, really awesome. And she's going through the series of this. But this is one of Kim's freebies. She'll tell you the password for it, and you'll download it on Kofi. So it's got some fussy cuts, some really cute ephemera pieces. I love these photo strips. They're great for collage. Receipts. Let's see. Here's some Rolodex pieces. They make really nice, like a triple flip there. Some tickets. More vintage freebies here. And along with her, her freebie, let's see, I've offered you some basic papers, because these are actually my favorite for creating ephemera. So this is part of Kim's freebie. I think there was 18 pages on her freebie. So you can see here. And forgive me, this is absolutely a new setup, so I'm not sure how we're going to be doing on the sound and the noise, and I'm hoping that it works better. So please let me know that. So that's Kim's freebie. And then this one, so we have a newer design team member named Wendy, and she's just amazing. She is a mom and a wife, And she's just, she's actually an artist. She's learning that inside she's an artist, even after she raises her kids. I didn't whisper anything. I don't know if you heard me, but this is her freebie here. And it's really actually quite beautiful. It's got quite a few postcards. I think there's some more than those. Those are really easy to put together and really fun to decorate. They could be used separately if you just wanted to use the picture and not use the back of a postcard. A couple of smaller sizes there. And then these sentiments. I think there's some really beautiful sentiments here. She dances with the breeze, unafraid to bend and sway. In a field of wild blooms, she radiates, comfortable with herself. So a lot of these ones here are kind of more about emerging and spring. She holds the promise of spring in every step forward. So those are bigger ones. And then I also did a page of smaller ones if you like the smaller ones. And again, you could experiment with the size if you'd like them even smaller. Experiment with that on your computer, but I offer a bigger one in case. I'll show you what I'm going to do with some of these bigger ones when I do the next video, when I start to put things together. Yeah, so yeah, I actually offered 3 sizes of those sentiments there, and that's Wendy's freebie. She's amazing. I hope what you'll do is visit her YouTube, watch her video, and get the password there so that you can unlock that freebie. I swear everything here means you could actually make a journal on your own. This is all plenty of stuff for lots of ephemera. This one here I actually think is a Thankful Thursday. It's got a lot of these photo mats, and they're some of my favorite things, but I don't see them used very often. So I'm curious if people know what to do with them. Maybe you could tell me in the comment box what you might do with them. I'm going to do some stuff with them in the next video so you can see how to use them. But all of these are kind of like yellow scenes of nature. A lot of people don't like the dolls in their journals, so I want to make sure I give some options for people that are more nature-based. And if there's other things that you'd like to see in my work, please comment that, because I really take that into consideration. Someone suggested I do a Mardi Gras series, and that's been super popular. And I'm really glad that I took her suggestion. I love all of the images from there. Okay, so that one there is a Thankful Thursday. Link to that will be in the description box below. This is here, again, I believe these are Sophie's. So if you don't know Sophie from Sophie's Crafty Corner, I'm going to be showing you how to work with these. She is doing an envelope flip journal. It's really actually beautiful. It's kind of a series she has. She put the binding together, and she's going to decorate it for you too. So I feel so blessed to have such incredible design team members that are willing to spend the time to play with my work. I'm always looking for people that like to do that. So yeah, these are some pockets here. Oops. So the Yellow Rose collection too, it's got a series of, if you're a member, and I didn't even print up anything about the membership or the what is included in that, because I'm not really here to try and sell you on the membership, but I did want you to know that like the Creatives membership will give you all of this, and then 5 other listings for $9.99. And if you wanted an over-the-top journal, that's a great option. Each of the other memberships offer, like the Bohemian membership offers another option of paper, and the Tribe membership, which is the medium membership, has a whole junk journal kit. So yeah, I just thought I'd update you a little bit on what's happening with me. These are the freebies, so I urge you to go and find them, to gather them, and know that I'm not sure what's happening with the Facebook group. If you're part of the Facebook group, I probably won't be back in there unless I figure out kind of a dishonest way to get back on Facebook. And I'll be really honest with you that I really trust what happens in my life these days. And so I'm not sure what's happening there. So if you guys have suggestions or solutions, or if you think the Facebook group is important, if it's important to you, please let me know that in the comment box below. Okay, and so thank you so much for joining me. These are the freebies. The next video I'm going to record will be me making some ephemera with these and decorating the pages of the journal I create with these pages. It'll be a smaller one, and I will not be showing you the binding method since there's 3 other videos that are out on binding. But I promised you that I would tell you how to get this music freebie. And so I'm going to tell you that this right here is the password, and you will need to use all capitals. Though this is not all capitals, you will need to use all capitals here for this. That is the password. You'll have to go to Kofi and download it. It will be called Rose's Sovereign Freebie, and it's actually a really nice gift. So thank you so much for joining me. If you like my content, I could really use your support. I'm not sure what it means without being able to market on Facebook. It's new for me to be out and trying to support myself. So if you feel so inclined and you like what I offer and you're new, please like and subscribe. And if you're already supporting me, thank you so much. I so much appreciate it. Every bit helps, and every comment and suggestion help too. Thank you so much. Have a great day.